The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a mathematical tool. Title of the video, Decimal Multiplication Process using Abacus. In the decimal addition and the subtraction sections, we used many examples to solve and also dealt with different types of options available for dealing with varied digits of numbers. The multiplication process in decimals is similar to normal multiplication, except the conversion of decimal numbers into whole numbers before proceeding for multiplication, and then earmarking the appropriate decimal digits in the result. Let us see how the decimal multiplication process is carried out using different examples that we had used in the general multiplication section. Let us take the example 6.7 multiplied by 8.9. At the outset, both the numbers have to be converted as whole numbers. That means 6.7 becomes 67 and 8.9 becomes 89. In the process, we are making two decimal portions into whole numbers, and this indicates that the results will involve whole numbers and decimal parts. The number of digits in the decimal parts will be 2, as the number 6.7 as one decimal point and the number 8.9 as one decimal point. 67 multiplied by 89 is 5963. When we revert back to the decimals, then the multiplication will become 6.7 multiplied by 8.9, which involves two decimal points, and therefore the answer 5963 should be converted in such a way that the last two digits are earmarked for the decimal part of the result. That means we have to put the dot between the number 59 and 63, making the result as 59.63. The procedures adapted for multiplying 67 and 89 will remain the same like the normal multiplications, and let us demonstrate that in the forthcoming examples. Let us take one more example, 36.8 multiplied by 7.19. At the outset, both the numbers have to be converted as whole numbers. That means 36.8 becomes 368 and 7.19 becomes 719. 368 multiplied by 719 is 264,592. When we revert back to the decimals, then the multiplication will become 36.8 multiplied by 7.19, which involves three decimal points, and therefore the answer 264,592 must be converted in such a way that we earmark three digits from the right for the decimal part of the result. That means we have to put a dot between the number 264 and 592, making the result as 264.592. We shall take up a few examples going forward to demonstrate these concepts.